Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete or remove a Discord server. Once you have opened Discord in your mobile or desktop, and then go to the left panel, and here you can see this server, and here one is my server. I have created this server and this is another server. So at first I have deleted my server, so just click on this. I have created this, and here you can see arrow icon, just click on this. Now scroll down, and here you can see server settings, just go to server settings. Now scroll down, and here you can see delete server, just click on this. Now it will ask you write your server name. Are you sure you want to delete this server? So we have to write the server name. Next, hit the delete button. Now it will be deleted, and it's deleted. Here you go. So it's my own server, I have deleted it. Now I will show you how you can delete other server. So here you can see this server is not mine. Just click on this and right click and go to bottom, and here you can see leave server. Just click on this leave server. Now it will ask you, are you want to delete this server or are you want to leave this server? So just click on leave server. Now it will be deleted, and okay, done. So we have deleted two server. One is my personal server and another is other server which is not mine. And this is how you can delete Discord server. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.